Good morning. Welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, Edra, Inchakanji, Department of Information Technology. Today start 19th lecture on course, that is subject name data structure using C. Our departmental vision mission statements are: departmental vision to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for the accomplishment of ever growing needs of society and industry. And under the departmental mission there are three statements. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second is that to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third is that to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Okay. Next slide is syllabus. There are total 5 units. In that, first units for 6 marks, introduction to data structures are already completed. Start next unit number 2, searching and sorting, for 12 marks. Next, course outcomes. Course outcome is after the completion of course what will you achieve. Okay, in that second CO, apply different searching and sorting techniques. This CO is achieved after the completion of unit number 2. That name is searching and sorting. Unit number 2, searching and sorting, their syllabus, their points are in their 2 sub-points, 2.1 searching, 2.2 sorting. In that 2.1 searching, there 2 methods are there. These are already studied it. After that, in a sorting, there are the 5 methods are there. In that already completed 4 sorting methods, and last is radix sort. In a previous lecture, the concept, algorithm and examples are studied. In that next part of that radix sort, that part is continue on today's lecture. Okay. In a previous lecture, I am given some homework on it. Hope all are completed it. Okay. So on today's lecture, we continue the previous lecture points, means radix sort method. In a we studied the points, means concept or definition, algorithm and example. On today's we continue the point program, advantages, disadvantages and syntax. Okay. In a radix sort, important is that in a radix sort and also in a quick sort, important is that ask more questions, working of that sorting method or a example, not asking for program, not important for program of the quick sort and radix sort, but important program is that bubble sort, selection sort and insertion sort. Okay, this subject is asked for 12 marks. Okay, means what? These 5 methods and these 7. In a 7 methods, 2 questions are created. For example, this working or a example, not any type program asking, but rarely any time, luckily or bad luckily in your exam ask them. So that point are added. Okay, programs, but important program for that linear search, binary search, bubble sort, selection sort and insertions, not a quick and radix sort. The program is not important. Luckily or bad luckily ask the question on program, then definitely ask the question on either linear, binary or bubble sort, selection sort or insertion sort. But 99% question asked to any working of that 7 method or examples on that 7 method. Maximum questions are 99 questions are asked that only for examples with explain one by one iteration with means passes with one by one steps through that shown, and otherwise asking to working of that method. So those are important questions, both examples and working. Means working means what? In that right concept, that definition, after that algorithm, and one simple example. In small example also you show that using through example that points are explained, then you out of out marks achieve. Okay, and ask to question for examples means given the input and that input numbers and to solve that question, that time only for you explain the only for that how to that sort the numbers, means that iteration or passes will be shown, not a description, not a algorithm shown that right, not a write that, only for that numbers, how will be you numbers are sorted using through iteration and passes, that's are only for enough. Okay, so start the continue the points under the radix sort. Syntax. Okay, in a following syntax, first find the largest element of the array, example 123, and we run loop until we reach the largest digit place of numbers. Store the count of digits in count array, changes count of I so that count of I now contains actual position of this digit in result. Build the resultant array. Store the final resultant array into main array A of which contains sorted numbers according to current digit places. Means what? In that actually logic is that first of all find the largest number in that array, because how will be passes are arise, that depends upon that digits of number. For example 123 number is there in an array largest number, then loops or that passes or iteration are run by 3. Okay, means create the 3 passes, and that places through means we need place 10 and 100, that's time to that numbers will be sorted. In that take one count of array. Okay, after that positions of array are stored in a result array, okay, and in this through that numbers will be sorted. Okay, that syntax are shown in that each key a of a to n to d digit integer, their steps are there. Get largest number from array means first of all largest numbers are find out, while in that check it that largest num or digit place is greater than 0. Okay, that numbers are placed in at greater than 0. Int count of 10 is equal to that value is initialized as a 0, means that largest number is first of all initialized to 0 because arrays are stored in a from 0th location. Therefore loop is are there in that count of array will be incremented. After that in that check that passes. Okay, how will be passes are arises. After that in that for loop is check that your for loop is used, because in that passes, how will be passes are there, that for loop are executed and that resultant numbers are stored in a result array. After that will be shown, and each place will be the digit place is equal to 100, means digit place is equal to digit place into 100, means every time that are reminder or that division numbers are created, and using through that numbers are stored in each pocket. Okay, after that program. Next point is program. std conio, these are the header files. Radix sort, these are taken one function. Okay, in a quick sort and radix sort functions are used, so rarely means no anytime in a previous question paper you studied that, then you already known no any ask that questions on a radix sort and quick sort program, so not is important, but your syllabus is there, so only for one time is studied it, only for concepts are clear, then no problem. Okay, so in that taken one function radix sort, void main, the main start is start, in that variable declaration integer array of 100 and I is variable taken, clear screen window will be clear that. After that enter the number of elements to be sorted, message are displayed, printf is the output function, scanf is the input function. Using through printf function, two uses are there, one only for message is displayed and so another use is that actually output will be displayed. After that printf scanf %d and n means % is the data specifier. Why will we use %d? Because integer n is declared, so in that % is used. Why we integer is declared int? Because which numbers are we given as a input, that are in a number format, so taken a int, and that store in a n variable. After that printf first enter %d numbers to be sorted. Okay, in n variable, that for example given the number 6, there display as a using through %d data specifier through, that numbers will be displayed, that sentence. Okay, in a previous lecture we already used this statement, you are already known that. Okay, after for loop I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, in that for loop is used because in that use the array and in that one statements are repeated again and again, so in that use the for loop. Scanf input that numbers one by one, array of 0 1 2 numbers are inputted or scanned. Okay, using through scanf function. Next function is called radix sort, that pass the value. Okay, array is passed. After that display printf function, sort array is displayed, it is the output statements. For I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, printf their numbers will be printed, slash n is used, so new line 2 numbers are will be displayed. Okay, get says function is closed. In that function definition, in that it is a function declaration, it is the function call, it is a function definition. In that take a one int but arrays, in that 2-dimensional array one taken, in that single dimensional array taken, because you use radix sort means your 0 to 9 pockets there, so that columns are used and in each row will be the numbers are stored, so means what, in that this 2-dimensional, it is a row, it is second row, it is third row, it is a column, so use the 2-dimensional array. After that variables are taken. Okay, these are variables used for our calculation purpose, so that assign the value 1 to division, 0 to num, and after that array of 0 as a consider large. For example, not a array of 0 is not a large, so in a inner array any element are largest, then that choose using through for loop. Okay, in that find out large number. After that check that large number is greater than 0. Okay, after that divide by 3 divided large values are divided by 10, means in that calculate the unit number. Okay, because in a pass 1 that unit numbers are used. After the pass 2 10 position number are sorted. After the 100 third pass 100 positions of number will be sorted, so in that division and reminders are used. In that for loop passes is equal to 0, passes less than num, and pass plus plus. This for loop is used for in a pocket how will be numbers are inserted. Okay, kept store in a array using through this for loop. In that 1 by 1 buck k of 0 means in that using through this array the numbers will be stored in a pocket 0 to 9. After that in this through for loop we calculate that 1 by 1 digit. Okay, in that modulus is used, so in that calculate the remainder, and this using through remainder their numbers will be incremented 1 by 1, and in that stored in a assign that value of array of 0 to that in a bucket, means that an array, and that will be this bucket means that array are will be automatically sorted after the completion of all passes. And after that I of 0 is initialization. In that for k is equal to 0, k less, means that in that loop is used which that in that bucket, in that this for loop is used for the second row. In that first row will be calculated and stored, in that used for second row, because in that your this is the column, this is the row, means in shortly this is a two-dimensional array. That two-dimensional are used in that rows, and after that column, so taken two-dimensional array. Okay, after that in that your function definition is complete. After that when function definition is run, that your control move on to the your function call. After that printf function will be run. After that you obtain your sorted array elements. Output is that message, enter the number of elements to be sorted. Okay, how many numbers are given to the input? For example, in that message is there, enter the number of elements to be sorted, so display it. After that enter the percentage elements to be sorted. In that n is stored the 6, so message will be displayed, enter 6 elements to be sorted. In that, okay, the user given the input as a number 6 numbers. After that output statements, sorted array is, that message is displayed using true printf function, and numbers are automatically displayed one by one, because in a printf function you use /n. So okay, after that advantages and disadvantages. Radix sort is a very simple algorithm, because it is a non-comparison algorithm. In that only for digit through numbers will be sorted, so in that said that radix sort is the very simple algorithm. After that radix sort is one of the fastest sorting algorithm for numbers or strings of letters. Means what? In that said that it is the one of the fastest sorting algorithm for numbers or strings of letters. We also sort the number string of letters also, and also number, but in our syllabus only for taken integer numbers, so only for studied about the only for numbers, but also sorting a string of letters also. Okay, after that disadvantages. Which are the disadvantages of radix sort? Is that radix sort takes more space than other sorting algorithms. Clear? Means what? In that radix sort more space are required. Why? Because in that every time memory are used, means first unit places numbers will be stored. After that 10th position of numbers will be stored. After that 100 positions of numbers elements will be sorted. So every time memory are required, so in that set that takes more space as compared to other sorting methods. Disadvantages is that next is that radix sort is dependent on the digits or letters. It is not a non-comparison algorithm, so in that use or in that will elements are sorted depends on that digits or 10 letters. Digits means what? Their unit digits, 10 digits, 100 digits, means that depends upon that digits the radix sort will be sorted. Means for example in the array only for 10 digits numbers are there, so 2 passes are created. For example in our array 4 digit numbers, means there 4 passes will be created. That's like. Next disadvantages is that for every different data type the algorithms has to be rewritten. Clear that? Means in after pass 1 that numbers are arranged in other words. Means that in a pass 1, after that pass 1 the number are arranged in that any specific manner. After that in a second pass that 10 positions of through numbers will be stored. After the third pass, in the third pass positions of 100 positions of numbers will be stored. So in that said that different types, every different types data types means types of data that algorithm has to be rewritten. Means this like in that one type of return, in a second pass on another type, another in third, fourth. So in that said that every time rewritten the numbers. Okay, these are the advantages and disadvantages. Summary on that today's lecture. Radix sort under the which points are taken, syntax, program, advantages and disadvantages. Okay, homework on that today's lecture. Continue the assignment number 2. Questions are there. Continue 31, 32, 33. In that one questions are solved. That which question? 32 question. Okay, this sort the given numbers in a ascending order using radix sort. That numbers are given in that. Okay, in that largest number is 3851. Okay, in 1 2 3 4 5 numbers there. In that 3851 this numbers is largest number and its digits are 4. Okay, so total number of passes will be 4. Clear that? Okay, in that that numbers will be sorted one by one. Okay, pass 1. Radix or bucket sort the numbers while scanning the input from left to right by unit digit, because our first step is that by using through unit digit through number will be sorted. So first 4 3 4 8, in that 8 is the unit position number, so in that write in pocket 8. After 1 4 is the unit place, so write in a pocket 4. 6 4 1 is the unit, so pocket 1, in a pocket 1 write down 6 4 1. After that 3 8 5 1 is the unit place. Okay, so write in a pocket 1. 4 is the unit place, so write in a pocket 4. Okay, remove the elements from the bucket from 0 to 9 pocket, first in first out manner. So after the pass 1, okay, 641 641, 3851 1414, 7474, 348 348. Clear that? And these numbers as a input through the next pass in that taken. Okay, in that solve that. Radix or bucket sort the numbers while scanning the input from left to right. Okay, in that using through 10 digits through numbers will be sorted. 641, in that 4 is the 10 position, so write in a pocket 4. 3851, 5 is the 10 position, so write in a pocket 5th. In that 1 is the 10 position, so write in a pocket 1. In that 7 is the 10th position, so in that write in a pocket 7. 348, in that 4 position is 4 is a 10th digit, so write a pocket on a pocket 4. 348. Okay, and these are one by one are correct on a pocket 0 to 9, left to right means first in first out manner. Means what? 1414, 641 641, 348 348, 3851 3851, 7474. Clear that? And these are the input to the next pass number 3. In the pass number 3, using through 100 digit position through numbers will be sorted. In that 14, in that no any 100 position number, so consider as a 0, so write in a pocket 0. 641, 6 is the 100 position, so write in a pocket 6. 348, 3 is the 100 position, so write in a pocket 3. 3851, in the 8 is the 100 position number, or element, so write in a pocket 8. 74, in that no 100 on a 100 position number, so consider as a 0 and write in a pocket 0. And after that numbers are collected from 0 to 9 pocket, first in first manner through, means 14 14, 74 74, 348 348, 641 641, 3851, and these numbers are given to the next pass as a input. In that 4 passes will be created because in that 4 digit number, so there are, and this will be sorting using through 1000 positions of digit that number. Okay, in that 14 no 100 position number, in 74 also no 100 position number, in 348 and 641 then 4 numbers are no digits for 100 position element, so all are considered as a 0 and write in a pocket 0 one by one. And in that 3851, 3 is the 1000 position of that digit, so in that write in a pocket 3. Okay, and all are remove the elements from the bucket from 0 to 9 in first out manner after the 4th pass. 14 74 348 641 3851 numbers are sorted automatically, that numbers will be sorted. Clear that? One examples I am solved on lecture through. So another question is that, and advantages disadvantages, that's are continue to in your assignment number 2. Okay, here stop on our today's lecture, and also you will complete your second unit, that searching and sorting for 12 marks. It is the marks weightage is high, so carefully studied it and obtain the marks, no missing that marks, because only for question is asking for example or a working of any method, so easy there. Only for 5 under the sorting and 2 under the searching, means total 7 methods are there, and all are easy, so studied well. Okay, and another notice is that after that second unit we conduct the test on unit number 2, the searching and sorting, that will be conduct on a next lecture, so all are prepare it all the best. Okay, thank you.